channel. Today I am super excited like every other day, and I'm going to be sharing something I just discovered with you guys, and that has to do with the flax seed. Yeah, the flax seed. Few days ago I actually made the flaxseed gel with the aim of using it to coil my hair. Obviously my hair is coily, but I am actually diverting it. I'm going to be using it as my leave-in conditioner or my deep conditioner when next I'm going to take care of my hair. Okay, so if you're just joining me for the first time, you are welcome. If you are not new here, thank you for checking on your girl once again. Okay, so recently I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on the flaxseed gel, and I decided to try mine out, and I did that few days ago, and the result is just amazing. Before I actually share things with you, there are things that I have tried before I share it. Okay, so this flaxseed gel, I made the flaxseed gel, and I'm going to be leaving a video on how I made my flaxseed gel at the end of this video. Because of my hair texture, I find it very difficult, or the porosity of my hair, I find it very difficult to like retain moisture. Anytime I put product in there, the next moment the product is off in the air, my hair is always dry out every now and then, that I really need to moisturize my hair. So this flaxseed gel is actually a good alternative. In fact, it's one of the best things that I have discovered when it comes to natural hair care. Okay, that's why I'm sharing it with you today. And before I go ahead and show you how this works in my hair, just take out time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and when you do, click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button. That way you will always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. Okay, do not forget to share this video with your friends as well, and any other person that you think will need to see how we actually use natural ingredients to take care of our hair. Okay, and let's just go right into the process. This is where I stored my flaxseed gel. Let me just pump a little into my hand. Wow, it's so cold. I left it in the fridge. This is how my gel looks like. It's actually very slimy, so I'm just rubbing it against my palm and take it right into my hair. You could see how shiny my hair looks. So I'm gonna be rubbing it on my edges. So after doing that, I'm gonna use the comb to gently detangle my hair. This is the kind of comb I use for my hair. If you want to see a video on the types of comb that you want to use for your hair, please kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm gonna do a video on how the kind of combs that you should use for your afro kinky hair. Okay, so I detangle my hair from the tips to the down. You could see how, girl, I tell you, this thing is heaven. So I'm just gonna take another one, massage it to my hair. I love it. I don't know about you, but I do. My curls pattern are actually well defined because the hair is so moisturized. Yeah. Okay, so just going to continue twisting my hair out, and I'm going to leave a video on how I make my flaxseed gel. So I hope this video was actually helpful and informative to you. If you are going to be trying this out, please kindly try this out and let us know how it worked for you in the comment section down below.
Thank you.